Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about 3 altcoins that I absolutely love. These are 3 altcoins that I genuinely believe will continue to go up in value. They're going to rise. These are some that I've talked about on my channel before, as well as a new one that I haven't really talked about we're going to talk about today. Excuse me. And these are ones that are just going to continue to go up dramatically higher. As always, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Drop in the comments below if you'd like me to do more videos like this where I'm covering multiple different cryptos and giving you my impressions of them and ones that I think that will continue to go up and do really well in the future. Drop in the comments below. Yes, Austin, we want you to do this, or heck no, don't do this, or whatever you want to drop. As always, thanks for your support of myself, my videos, and my channel. This Patreon, got to remind you, link in the description below. Here's the thing. If you're interested, you might want to think about joining if you want help with your portfolio, if you want to be part of a community and you don't want to be alone in this crypto journey. Just think about it. Go check it out. Click that link below. You can go right here, see this page, see all the benefits you get. You get access to my portfolio. You get access to my Discord, my private community, a lot of really, really cool stuff, and you can join and cancel at any time. Okay, so I've got 3 for you. May even do a few more if I feel like we got a little bit more time. If I don't run out of time, I like my videos to be about 9 or 10 minutes long. Okay, so the first one that I want to talk to you about is Ethereum. Okay, yes, it's Ethereum. And don't tune me out if you're like, Austin, I can't afford Ethereum. I don't even want to buy Ethereum. I don't want to be there, etc. To me, my opinion, non-investment advice, that everybody should own Ethereum. Ethereum is my largest holding. It is one that I firmly believe. To me, I have a house analogy. Owning Ethereum is like owning the base of the house, right? Owning the foundation, if you will. Okay. But really, what I want to talk to you about in this scenario is the evolution of the entire crypto world with Ethereum at its heart. Okay. Here's what I mean by this. Look at this. Budweiser buys beer.eth domain name for 30 Ethereum, literally about $100,000. Rocket NFT for 8 ETH. Okay, so they have bought, Budweiser has bought this beer.eth domain name. Why do you think they're doing this? Budweiser's changed his Twitter profile picture to that of a rocket designed by NFT platform Rocket Factory. Why would one of the globally worldwide recognized brand be getting into the NFT, ETH, domain thing, all that? Kind of makes you think, doesn't it? What you think about that? Look at this. Over 100,000 worth of ETH has now been, which is 300 million, has been burned since Ethereum's London upgrade. Also something to take into consideration with Ethereum. You guys know me. I've talked about Ethereum a lot. Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake. This is proof that obviously the burning is happening, which is going to do what? Reduce future supply. There's even more EIPs coming, Ethereum improvement proposals. I can never get that right. It's always a tongue twister for me. Okay, something to be considering. Okay, Ethereum is going to become more and more scarce. Oh, by the way, you've got major companies like Budweiser getting into it. Visa getting into it, bought a cyberpunk NFT. Look at this. Facebook plans to introduce NFTs as part of his digital wallet. Why do you care about NFT? Because at the end of the day, Ethereum is going to be the heart of all of that. Put the dots together. Connect the dots, right? And Ethereum on a go-forward basis, price prediction, price points, everybody pretty much readily agrees that 6,000 to 9,000 is probably what the price point for Ethereum will be by the end of this year, 2021, with price evaluations climbing to 20, 30,000 plus by 2023, first part of, even some cases that I'm seeing, $150,000 for Ethereum by early 2023. Isn't that absolutely crazy? Okay, so that's number 1. Yes, it's Ethereum. Do you have to buy the entire Ethereum? No, you can buy $100 of it, $200, whatever it is. I just firmly believe that it is one of the best investments and best assets to own in the entire crypto world. All right, number 2, Cardano. Those of you guys follow my channel, you know I love ADA. I am a massive fan. To me, there is so much upside in Cardano. It is absolutely insane how much upside potential there is in Cardano. Cardano's trading, as you can see, at $2.85. It is on a tear right now, moving up. You know, you can see, look, it's outpacing even Bitcoin and Ethereum right now in the 24-hour and 7-day run. Why is this running up? Well, quite simply, September 12th, September 1-2, that is a line in the proverbial sand. That is when smart contracts are going to go live in the Cardano network, period. They are a game changer. Smart contracts is going to open up a completely new, broader world for Cardano with additional, even more projects that will start to come on because of smart contracts. Again, I like Cardano for the exact same reason I like Ethereum. I like owning the foundation of the Cardano house. Period. Okay, I love that. Okay, I love the fact that I own the foundation, and more projects will be built on Cardano. As you know, I'm assuming you know, Cardano is the number 3 crypto now, right behind Ethereum. There's the dog on cue, right there. That's Raider. That's one of the Australian shepherds that we have. We have 2. We have a Bella and Raider. That's Raider. Okay, but also here's one thing I would show to you. Look at this. Cardano is getting an Ethereum compatible sidechain. Why do you care? Interoperability, interconnection, all of these things are going to start to kind of merge and things like that. Yes, the Cardano world is its own, Ethereum is its own, but sidechain, Ethereum compatible sidechains, interoperability, connectivity, things of that nature. Something for you to be aware of, okay? Not necessarily going to always be their little proverbial islands. Yes, they will, but they're going to have connectivity. Okay, it's going to use wrapped Cardano WADA as the native asset to pay for the transaction fees. Okay. So number 2, check my time. Good, we're good. Okay, Solana. This is one I haven't really talked about very much. I am starting to become extremely bullish on Solana. I like what I'm seeing. I like where this is headed. And oh, by the way, Solana has recorded a new all-time high for the second time in a week. Okay, pretty impressive. Oh, by the way, Solana developers can now use Chainlink's DeFi price feeds. A lot of really cool thing starting to develop around Solana. Disclaimer, I do not own Solana right now. Very seriously thinking about picking this one up. I really am a fan of what I'm seeing with these guys. And they continuously are here and in the discussion. Oh, by the way, ranked number 10. In the top 100 right here. You can see that in the last 24 hours, they are right there, very similar to Cardano with 24-hour, actually almost exactly identical right here. Here's Cardano. There's Solana. Cardano 7-day, Solana. I really like what I'm seeing with what Solana, with everything going on around that. It's one that I'm going to start digging into a little bit more. So I wanted to showcase it here in this video. As always, this video is for entertainment personally. I truly appreciate you. Thank you for your support of my channel. What did you think about this video? Drop in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts. Do you want me to continue to do more videos like this? Highlighting, showcasing different cryptos. Because my goal is real simple, is to continue to bring you value. So I'm always kind of changing it up and looking at different ways to bring you this content. Something I haven't done in a while, kind of the 3 or 4 altcoins in one video, kind of give you just boom, 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 so you can kind of cover a little more ground. Let me know if you like this, and I'd be happy to do it. To me, the key to crypto investing is diversification, is having money in different cryptos to diversify your risk, to give you more opportunities, to open you up to different cryptos that have different utilities, different use cases, things of that nature. And so when some are down, some are up, and all that kind of stuff. So let me know your thoughts. Would love to hear from you. And as always, I truly appreciate yourself. I truly appreciate you. Thank you for your support of my channel and my videos. Thanks for giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world here on YouTube. I'll see you later. Bye.